Hey there! So, just want to give a quick walkthrough of Safe.Trade, one of my favorite exchanges. It is decentralized, focused on privacy, and if you're familiar with the SafeCoin project, it is phenomenally secure. So, you can see here recent trades, the market, and yours. Profile your wallets, your orders, and your history, as well as your language. So if you want to, make a deposit, you go in here. But for the most part, I just want to do a quick walkthrough, so I'm going to keep this fairly straightforward. So you can get your pairs here, right? Whether it's BTC, Safe, or whatever you want, right? So you've got quite a selection to choose from. You can see the highs, the lows, the highest in the 24 hours, as well as the percentage change, and you can switch from night to day mode. I prefer, night shift mode personally, as well as the different order types. So you can see limit or market order, depending if you're looking for the best price and willing to wait, or you just want to get that order through, right? You can switch from buys to sells, as well as see the markets and the orders that are in the books too. So definitely a great exchange, nice and clean. I use it myself personally, and I know the team is really focusing on development and driving forward. So lots of great things coming from this project.